Look at that lighting change, huh? Is that better? I'm gonna leave it like that. Next video, Don't Look Back, short horror film. My bad. Don't look Don't Look Back, short horror film. Just a long pause. He's sleeping? Doesn't sound like his footsteps. Okay, so he just didn't want to take the train? He was all tired and shit, and then you decide to walk, brother. What are we doing? I feel like it would be natural to sprint through this, you know? Just your human instincts would kick in when you're getting a little freaked out, like in a hotel when you're running down the hallway, like your adrenaline starts going. And that same shit would like you would just walking's crazy. You're like the psychopath that people are scared of. What? Oh, maybe run? You walk by? Why can he not look back though? Oh, now you're right. You could have ran the whole time, bud. No, it's not over, huh? She's gonna be in her room. Oh, we're only halfway. What the fuck? Oh, gee. Now I gotta be lunching over. What a loud at bro, WD-40. I can't see. Why is he going out there? Ugh, living alone too, man. Extra scary. Oh, I freak. I just run out the front door. Okay, now you're in another dimension. It's over. And he'll never get out. Without any shoes. There was bugs and shit. She seemed like the worst one to get. Dude, the no shoes part's brutal. Okay. If you die in that dimension, I wonder if your body is like in that dimension, so you're just missing forever. And then that's how ghosts get away with shit like that. They can like put you in their dimension for a little bit while they kill you. It's kind of epic. That's pretty sick. That was that was not bad. It was a little bit long, but I liked it. I don't know how scary I would say that was. Maybe not all that scary. Next video.